freezer, nice and cold, and one ordinary microwave. Let's see what happens when you put a bottle of beer in a microwave and then turn it on. Whoops.
Oh, you're going to turn it on?
Yeah. See that? It's got bubbles in it. It's full. Okay. The bats would like to see what happens here. I'll set her for maximum. Here we go. 25 minutes at full power. Mike, you better get away from that microwave. It's been going for about 10 minutes now. That beer bottle is going to explode any second. It's starting to build up. It's fizzing. It's going to go. Oh, Mike, you're lucky you weren't there. Even wrecked the beer fridge. Where are we going to get our next cold one from?